Did you know that these historical YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos are raking in millions of views lately? And the best part is, they are not hard to make. Some YouTube channels have skyrocketed from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in just 5 months because these videos are super engaging to watch. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to create these viral historical videos. And by the end of this, you will have all the tools and knowledge to start pulling in views across all social media platforms. This is Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To make historical shorts video, we're going to do 6 simple steps. The first step is to choose a historical fact. So first, you need to select the topic or the fact that you're going to make a video on. If you've already chosen a topic, that's great. But if you haven't, there's an incredible AI tool that will help you give hidden facts about any topic you want. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to GravityWrite.com. Here, just mention the keywords of the facts that you want to know. I'm going to enter Alexander the Great. Then enter the number of facts that you want. Let's say 10 and click Create Content. Great. We have 10 unique facts which we can use for our shorts. Now just select a fact for which you're going to create a video. Once you selected the fact, we need to make a script for our video. So let's go to the second step, which is to get the script. So to help you with that, we have a tool in GravityWrite that can generate a script tailored for your topic. That too in just seconds. So let's go back to GravityWrite, copy the topic you want. I'm going to make a video on Alexander's leadership. And then search for script for historical facts. Here, paste the topic and click Create Content. As you can see, we've got the entire script for the topic. It has also given us the image suggestions which we can use for our videos. Once we have got the script, let's get the voiceover. So let's go to step 3, which is to generate the voiceover. If you have an amazing voice, you can go ahead and record a voiceover, but a quicker way to do it is with the help of AI. We're going to use a popular tool called 11 Labs. This tool can convert any text into high quality voiceover in any voice and language you want. To use this tool, just click the link in the description and click here and sign in using your Google account. Once you're signed in, you need to select the voice you want. So just click Add Voice, then go here and click Voice Library. Here you will find different voices to choose from. Just select the one you like.
We have committed the golden rule to memory.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
Click Add to Voice Lab and click Add Voice. Now click Create. Then go here and select the voice you just added. Now copy and paste the script you got from GravityWrite. Click Generate.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task?
And our voiceover is ready. Now you can download it by clicking here. And once you have got the voiceover, we need to get the visuals to create our video. So let's go to step 4, which is to generate the visuals. Now for the visuals, we're going to use Midjourney. It's a paid tool. However, if you're looking for free options, you can try tools like Leonardo.ai, Stable Diffusion, Lexica, and Adobe Firefly. If you're using Midjourney for the first time, we have made a detailed video on how to use Midjourney. You can watch the video by clicking here. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to midjourney.com. Now quickly sign in and it will take you to the dashboard to generate images. Now just type /imagine prompt and enter the image prompt here. Remember, when GravityWrite generated the script, it also gave us the image suggestions. Well, we can use them as our image prompt here. So let's go back to GravityWrite. Copy the image suggestions and paste it here. As you can see, it has generated 4 different images, so select the one which looks the best and download it. In the same way, you can use Midjourney or any other AI image generation tool and generate images for all the other script lines. Okay, once you have generated all the images, we're going to convert them into a 3D animated video like this. So let's go to step 5, which is to convert the images into animations. To do that, we're going to use an AI tool called LeaPix. So just click the link in the description and click try for free. Now just sign up using your Google account and you will reach this page. Now to convert this image into a video, just drag and drop the image here. Select the animation style you want. Adjust the animation length. And you can experiment with these settings to make it look good. And once you're done, click export and click save. Now it will be downloaded. In the same way, you can convert all your images into animation videos like this one. Once you're done, let's go to the final step where we are going to combine all the video clips to make it into a whole video. To do that, we're going to use an online editing tool called Veed.io. To go to the tool, just click the link below this video and click here. Now drag and drop the video clips and the voiceover and it will be added here. Now you can rearrange the images according to the script. And once you're done, let's play and see the video.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing exactly that.
Okay, so now we have merged the audio and the video. Next, let's add the captions. So just go to subtitles. And here, select how you want the subtitles to be added. I'm going to select auto and click create subtitles. And now if we play the video,
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing
you can see that the subtitles have been added. Now if you want to change the style, just go here and select the font style and the color you want.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing exactly that in 330.
You can also add some transitions to each video like this.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing exactly that.
To make the entire video look better, just go to transitions and you will find different transition effects here. Just select whichever one you like and then apply it to your video. Now once you're done, let's have a look.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing exactly that in 336 BC.
The video looks amazing, right? Okay, now to download this video, click done. Then click export. And click here. Then click on MP4. And the video will be downloaded to your computer.
Imagine ruling the world at the age of 20. Sounds like a crazy task, but Alexander the Great was doing exactly that in 336 BC. In fact, by the time he reached 30, he had created one of the largest empires. Here's something utterly amusing. He named 20 cities after himself. Talk about a strong branding game, huh? And get this, his horse was so famous, it got its own city too. Everyone knows Alexander was a great tactician, but did you know he was severely dyslexic? However, that never stopped him from conquering the world. Indeed, every obstacle was merely a thrilling challenge for Alexander the Great. What's your great challenge today?
You can now upload this to your YouTube channel and see the audience's reaction. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create a viral historical video using AI. I've given the links to all the tools in the description below, so you can just go ahead and start creating your videos. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.